What is Objectivism? Broadly construed, Objectivism is the view that there is a reality, or realm of objects and facts, which exists wholly independent of the mind. Thus, Objectivism holds that there is only one correct description of reality, whether we have any knowledge of it or not. Therefore, in Objectivism, existence takes primacy over consciousness, in that existence exists independently of consciousness, and the essential function of consciousness is the grasp of existence, and the underlying objective reality that can be perceived in different ways. In broader terms, objectivity is the strict adherence to truth-conducive methods in one's thinking, particularly taking into account all available information, and avoiding any form of prejudice, bias or wishful thinking. The term objective can be applied to methods used in this process, or results produced by it. An objective fact therefore means a truth that remains true always and everywhere, independently of human thought or feelings. For example, the statement, "Twice 2 is 4," is true always and everywhere. Objectivism was further developed by the famous philosopher, Ayn Rand. According to Ayn Rand, Objectivism holds that there is no greater moral goal than achieving one's happiness. But one cannot achieve happiness by wish or whim. It requires rational respect for the facts of reality, including the facts about our human nature and needs. It requires living by objective principles, including moral integrity and respect for the rights of others. In fact, when asked, "What is Objectivism?" Ayn Rand answered, "My philosophy, in essence, is the concept of man as a heroic being, with his own happiness as the moral purpose of his life, with productive achievement as his noblest activity, and reason as his only absolute." As we can see, Objectivism includes the following ideas. Reality is fully material and objective. It is not created or shaped by consciousness in any way. Human sensory perception gives direct true knowledge of objective reality. The highest purpose of life is the happiness of each individual. And morality arises only from rational self-interest. The right thing to do is whatever reason dictates is best for the selfish individual.